Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have a Porsche Panamera 2013 model today, and here you can see we have upgraded its interior. It's a complete different look like new Porsche models. We have upgraded its small screen to the bigger screen. We have removed the Pcm 3.1 unit from this car, and here you can see right now a 12 inches screen sitting in the car, and we have completely changed this dashboard panels. These panels are replaced, and this panel as well. We have replaced this panel from the original one, and here you can see the AC vents before the car, the AC vents or the air ventilation vents. So these were on the right and left hand side, but we are removed and shifted from top to bottom. Here as you can see, these are completely adjustable, so you can use. And here is a small icon, you can button you can say, for the volume control. Plus the volume is also available from the steering wheel button. Right now car is not started, but it works with the car system. So here you can see the screen. In the screen we have first a CarPlay function. Right now my iPhone is connected with the screen, and here you can see the CarPlay is full screen. Like in new Porsche models, some Porsche models have the half screen CarPlay, but if you want that half screen CarPlay, we can activate it to its full screen resolution. But here you can see we have all the mobile applications here on the screen, and as you can see the quality of the screen, it's very impressive. As you can see, it's a high definition screen, and here is the maps, or I'm right now using the Waze, and it is fully functional with the screen. This map is from your mobile phone, but we have the offline navigation system for complete whole Europe as well. Like here on the second option we have music. So if you play something from here, so here you can see the music is working. Then again we have the navigation. If I will open the navigation, so here you can see it's an offline navigation that doesn't require any type of internet. It works without internet, and it's for complete Europe. From here you can see there are lots of other Android applications. First of all, we have this theme APK installer. From APK installer you can install any application. From theme we can change all the themes, and you can buy as well from this store, online theme store. But right now I have some themes in this screen, so I will change it and show you how it works. I am using this screen. Here you can see it's completely theme or look is changed. You can see here your navigation, your music is here, and this small gadget or widget you can say is here. Then you have applications. So this one has like colorful applications or colorful theme. So from here we have the music again and some other applications on the bottom of the screen. Then if we go to themes, there are lots of other themes here you can see, but right now it's only I will use this one, and its switching is success and when up. So here are some applications. You can see we have some CarMate application for CarMate functions. Then we have do fun play for some applications like games, etc. Then we have settings for car settings or Android screen settings. Here you can see all the settings are available here. And we have voice control, weather updates, GPS test application. aux is basically we have connected its front camera. Right now it's raining, so it's a little bit you can say blurry. So if you have a front camera or back camera, you can use with this screen. And we have installed the reversing camera as well. It was previously installed, but we have connected with the same screen because the original PCM unit was connected with the CarPlay unit, so it has all the functionalities of aftermarket like cameras, DVR, everything it has already. So you just connected this with our screen. Here you can see it's boot animation. Then we have car settings, Chrome. You can use Google Chrome and search anything from the screen. And then we have DSP. From DSP, then we have Facebook, File Manager, Google, Gyroscope. We have the navigation, offline navigation. Then we have Google Maps. Then we have Play Store. From Play Store you can install any kind of application. And we have some quick picks like gallery, steering wheels. Then again we have a video option. You can play YouTube as well. So here you can see we have a HD video player, so you can play videos as well from the screen while driving. Then we have this stealing application. It's again for the CarPlay. Here you can see all the applications are available here. So that's it for today. If you want to upgrade your interior or your Porsche, you can contact us. We can do Porsche coding, we can retrofit with CarPlay modules, we can change the screens for you. So everything in your car will be upgraded like this. So if you have any Porsche or any other model, you can contact us. I will provide all the links in the description below, so you can reach us easily. Thank you. That's it for today. Bye bye.